Click on an object to select it. Click on another object to select a new object, unselecting the previous object. Click away at empty space to unselect everything. Press Shift while clicking to extend selection. When Shift is pressed and a new object is clicked, previously selected objects are not unselected. This allows you to select multiple objects. Another way of selecting multiple objects is box selection. Start a drag and drop operation over empty space and proceed to the right and down directions. This is called a positive selection box. Any object that is fully within the box is selected. For example, wires are fully within the box, but the horizontal top SIG wire is cut by the right side box edge, leaving half of the line outside of the box, so that line is not selected. A slightly bigger box that covers the whole line will include the line as well. Drawing the selection box in the opposite direction makes it a negative selection box, which will select any object that even partially overlaps within the box. Both positive and negative box selection can be combined with the Shift key, Add to Selection. This makes it easier to select various objects that do not fit in a single rectangular box. If a few objects are left out, just add them to the selection with a Shift click. Sometimes a box selection would almost do the right thing, but there'd be a few objects that should be left out of the selection. The simplest way to achieve this is turning off layer visibility. Objects not displayed are also not selected. Another method is locking. Locked objects won't react to selection. If a box of objects needs to be selected without a few objects in the middle, the simplest way is starting with a box selection, then shift-clicking individual objects out of the selection. Another method is first selecting the objects that should be left out, either individually or via box selection. Then invert selection using the Select menu.